Hey friends, welcome to another product unboxing. Today I am checking out the Nooie outdoor security camera. This is a wireless IP camera. It has 1080p HD home surveillance. It's waterproof. You can store information cloud or locally. Night vision, motion detection, two-way audio, and full 1080p HD video. All right, got into the plastic. As always, I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Sorry, got a little distracted. This runs about $80 on Amazon, and if you guys want to check out that link, I'll leave it there for you. All right, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Nice little card on top. Some stickers. And instructions. Let me see. All right. So mounting instructions, setup and all that. Okay. All right. Nice little snug in there, that's for sure. It has these little hand holds. I'm trying to pull this out of here. There we go. Oh, and the cord is still attached there. Come on out, little fella. There we go. Wow, it's smaller than I had thought. That's it for the box right there. Okay, so see if I can't get this cord out here. We'll check it out. Interesting. Not even sure how to open this up. Here we go. My goodness. You gotta be smarter than the box to open it. All right. See what else we have in here. So that's it for that. And we have, first off, let's open this up for you guys. And some scissors would have been good, I guess. We have the, it's got a USB and a plug-in. There is the little mounting bracket. And then we'll pop these out, but we have a bag of screws and things. Okay. Let's open this bag, shall we? Here's what you've all been waiting for. The camera itself. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. It's a nice little cover on there. The packaging is quite good, I would have to say. So it's a good looking camera. Pretty small and easy to discreetly locate somewhere. So it has an adjustable base here where you go up and down here, and I believe, yes, it also rotates like this, so pretty much be able to mount it in any direction that you want to. Here is, let's see, this little base, I believe. Once you have it mounted, just clicks in that way. It does have a little tab here that goes in, so once, I don't want to put it in right now because once it goes in, it might be a little difficult to get it out of there. So, but this just looks like it'll be flush when you mount that. It'll be pretty much look professional. I want to see how long this cord is real quick, if I can. If I can. Well, I will be doing a setup and demonstration video as well as a final review on this, and I try to leave that link in the description below of this video when I get it done too. So let's see how long this cord is, shall we? Right, there's like 6 feet. So I'd say it's probably 10 or 11 feet long. So a good distance. And it does have the USB cord thing in the back. So first thoughts, it looks well built. Supposed to be waterproof. Cord is decently long. I can mount this pretty much anywhere. It looks like it even comes with little cord securers also, so you can make sure the cord doesn't just is just flopping down there, but you can secure it to the wall too, so it looks nice and neat if you're doing it that way. That's about it for this unboxing, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon when I do the product review. Everyone take care out there. Have a wonderful day.